Welcome to this video on 5 ChatGPT tricks and prompts to make your life easier. Have you ever struggled with grammar while writing an email or a report? ChatGPT has got you covered. Just paste your text in the grammar correction prompt, and it will instantly highlight the errors and suggest corrections. No more embarrassing typos or grammatical mistakes. Are you struggling to communicate with someone who doesn't speak your language? ChatGPT's English to other language translator can help. Just type in your message, select the target language, and voila! You can now communicate seamlessly, no matter where you are in the world. Preparing for an interview can be stressful, but ChatGPT's interview questions prompt can help. It provides a list of common interview questions, along with tips on how to answer them. So, you can go into your interview feeling confident and well prepared. Have you ever received an email with important contact information buried deep inside? ChatGPT's extract contact information from email prompt can help. It will scan the email and extract all the relevant contact information, such as phone numbers and email addresses, saving you time and effort. Taking notes can be tedious, but ChatGPT's convert notes to summary prompt can make it a breeze. Just paste your notes, and it will generate a concise summary, highlighting the key points. So, you can spend less time on note-taking and more time on what really matters. And there you have it, 5 ChatGPT tricks and prompts to make your life easier. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.